In this video, you will learn step by step how you can create a Game Pass in Roblox. So this is a simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is download Roblox Studio. So you can do this from create.roblox.com and simply click on download on this download button. Now, once we have done this, if we go over to Roblox Studio, you want to go to the left hand side here, scroll down, click on experiences. Go to the experience that you want to create a Game Pass for. I will click on this one, click on the three dots, click on configure experience, and then from here it will then open up this. Now once this is opened, you want to go again to the left hand side bar, scroll down to monetization, and then click on the option for passes. Now once we click on pass, you can simply click on create pass. Once we do this, you can then give it a name. So for example, YouTube tutorial. You can then give it a description if you want to do that, and then simply click on create pass. Now, once we click on create pass, as you will notice at the moment, this is not active and it's currently not on sale. So what we need to do is click on the pass that we want to put on sale. You want to go to sales on the left hand side here. And then once we select sales, you can then click on this toggle. That will mean that this is now up for sale, and then you want to enter in the price in Robux. So for example, if you want to sell this for 100 Robux, you would enter in 100 into here. You will then get 70% of all sales inside Roblox. Make sure this is toggled on, and then you can simply click on save changes. Click on proceed now to go ahead and put this up for sale. And if this is done correctly, if you go back over to this page, you will now see that this is enabled and it can be bought inside your game. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a Game Pass on Roblox and enable it for sales.